Hey guys, and welcome back to another What I Wore This Week. This is just a casual week in my life, and I thought I would share with you my outfits. So, starting with outfit number one, starting Monday off really casual. I love this sweater from Target. It's not, the tan is sold out, but I have a bunch of colors still in my local Target, so I definitely recommend checking out your local Target for it. It's really nice. It's a good cropped, hoodie, and I love the string details too. It's like a little rubber on it, and it also has thumb holes, so perfect for like working out in the colder weather. And I like the crop detail. I'm just showing it's kind of not too cropped but not too long. And then I have these joggers on, which have this like fake, I don't know, like elastic band at the top. These are also from Target. They're just so comfy and cozy. I've been loving rocking joggers lately. So the blue, and it has some nice like stitching detail above the butt and down the legs. And then you guys, I just got these sneakers as part of my birthday gift. They are actually kids, but they're the Nike Air Max 270s, and I'm obsessed with them. They're so cute. I just think an all-white sneaker is so classic. So that is outfit number one, and Monday started off real casual. Now we're going to go into Tuesday. So again, still wearing the same accessories like always. Watch, ring, nails, chipped nail. My God, I need to fix that, but I didn't all week. And then I just put on this overcoat. This is kind of like a tweed sort of black and white jacket. I linked a similar one down below for you guys. And then my Target tee that I showed in my last video in orange. This is in black. I love the length of these tees. They're so freaking nice. And then I just tucked it into a pair of like medium washed distressed boyfriend jeans. Super distressed. This is just more of a casual look. If you wanted to pair it with black jeans or dark jeans, it would definitely dress it up. And then I just threw on my Dark Martens. I love these things. I need to wear them more often. And I just thought this outfit was really cute and casual. So that wraps up outfit number two. Let's move on to outfit number three. And we went with a top knot for Wednesday. I have this like kimono style jacket that I got from Abercrombie forever ago, and I haven't worn it in a while, but I think it's perfect for like fall. And then I threw it on with this tank top. It's kind of like a sweater material. And then also, yeah, basic makeup accessories like always. Then I just threw on some like medium washed, distressed at the knees denim and my classic black Vans. There's a better look at the kimono. I listed a similar style down below for you guys that I actually really like as well. And then I'm just always rocking my leather basic Vans, which I need a new pair because those have lasted me a while, and I get a new pair every so often. Then this is like my favorite. This is like my Kelly uniform. I'm obsessed. Again, same makeup. Everything's listed down below. Accessories. And still my chip nail polish. And of course, my Apple Watch because I wear this thing every single day. I love a basic graphic tee. This one's from a while ago, but I listed a similar one down below for you guys. And then this leather jacket changed my life for leather jackets. This actually same one is still available. I got it from Nordstrom Topshop section. It's like the perfect leather jacket for me. I wear it all the time, you guys. And then I just threw it on with a pair of like dark washed, tucked in the front knee, and these have like a zipper detail at the bottom. I got them forever ago, so they don't have them anymore. And then my checkered Vans. This is like my staple outfit. I wear this pretty much like this sort of outfit at least once a week because it's just my go-to. I hope you guys enjoyed that outfit, and let's go on to outfit number five. And then I finished this week with just basic makeup again, same accessories. This sweater. I just recently got this. I like this color a lot, this like pine kind of wintergreen sort of color. I like the mock neck detail instead of a turtleneck. It's just a lot more comfy, and this is so warm and cozy. I just tucked it into the front of a pair of just dark washed high-rise ultra skinny jeans, and then I just kind of cuffed the bottom a little bit. And then my favorite part of this outfit is these shoes. I've been obsessed with these shoes forever. These are the Saludos. They are so cute. You guys really should check it out online because they have better details than what you could actually see in the video, but they're just rainbow. They say good vibes on them. They're just my favorite. So this outfit was just comfy, casual, quick for running some quick errands. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this What I Wore This Week. I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.